Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to be installing rain guards from my 2008 Honda Civic. Alright, and I'll show you what happened. So this is pieces from my old one. At my job, someone was an asshole and they ripped all of it off. This side, go around. This side is still on. This side broke off. And then inside here, you still can see the fingerprints of whoever did it. It's all smudged up in there. Alright, so we're gonna replace all this. Alright, see you later. Alright, well now I gotta take off all the old sticky stuff. All this, you know, one by one. I mean, little by little, with my nails. Or I got this stuff, the Goo Gone, to remove sticky shit. And then it comes with this little spatula thing to like peel this off. Alright. And then you see the REC?
Yeah.
Red? No, in the camera, you see the REC?
Yeah.
Okay, wow, all this is in there. Okay. Alright. So this is the Goo Gone. We're gonna apply it to the sticky parts. You see the sticky parts? Okay. As you can see.
Uh-oh.
What?
It's like it's like black.
When black?
Like I don't know.
I don't know. Can you still see me?
Yeah,
Oh
you can.
my god, this is the camera.
It's going black again.
Yeah. What you mean?
It's going black.
Oh, that's not black. I don't know.
It's going black sometimes.
Okay, come look over here. Okay, watch.
Like flashing.
Okay, you see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Look over here. Do you see what I'm doing?
Mhm.
Okay, see, and then I put Goo Gone here, and then I can use a spatula.
A tiny little spatula.
Tiny little spatula. And then and make sure you turn off your alarm on your car like I did, or you wake up the neighbors. And then come back to me.
So where did you put the glue on?
The Goo Gone,
Yeah.
I put it on top of this, on the sticky stuff. See like that.
Mhm.
I put a little bit on the towel because I don't want it on my hands because it's all oily. Alright. Okay.
So where did you get the glue gun? Glue gun. I can't really say it.
I got the Goo Gone at AutoZone.
AutoZone.
Yeah. You can also get it like at Walmart, Kmart.
Okay.
Alright, I'll show you the finished product in the end. Okay, bye. Yep, off button. Alright, so I've been doing this for about almost 2 hours. This is what it looks like. I can keep going at it, you know, to be perfect, but I'm just gonna cover it over anyway with another set of rain guards. And that's one side. The other side. This. It was hard to get these things off. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna wash the car and put on the new ones. Alright, be right back. Alright. Alright guys. We're gonna wash car and then we're gonna put back the rain guards. If you care, I'm using McGuire's car wash. You can get it at AutoZone, Walmart, wherever.
Pretty much everyone.
Alright, now I can take off this 3M tape. Make sure you test fit it before you put it on so you know where you're gonna put it. Press it down. There you go. All right.